Kasong isinampa ng ina ni Darren Espanto laban kay J.K. Labajo, binasura ng korte. Humarap si J.K. Labajo sa ilang entertainment media kahapon, para sa first major solo concert niya na pinamagatang Juan Carlos Live na gaganapin sa SM Mall of Asia Arena sa November 29. At hindi napigilan ni J.K. na mapamura ng banggitin sa kanya ng tita Ibiang niya, na gaganapin ito sa napakalaking venue SM MOA Arena. Okay naman daw siya sa mga maliit na lugar, yung intimate lang, kaya ibang paghahanda ito para sa magaling na singer. Ang Nathan Studios ng pamilya Atayde ang nag-produce, at sabi naman ni Sylvia dapat naman daw sa SM MOA ito gagawin. Sa MediaCon nito kahapon ay ipinakiusap na huwag nang ungkatin ang matagal ng issue nila ni Darren Espanto, pero naisingit pa rin itanong ito kay JK. Maingat si JK sa pagsagot sa maselang issue ito, dahil iniiwasan na lang siguro niyang maakusahang ginagamit ang kabilang kampo, para sa promo ng kanyang first solo concert. Nilinaw kasi namin sa kanya ang latest na na-dismiss daw. Ang kasong isinampa sa kanya ng ina ni Darren. A lot of things are definitely blown out of proportion. A lot of things are unnecessarily expounded into this massive thing, that it shouldn't have been in the first place. So, there's a huge aspect of assumption and also this huge aspect of people publicly just buying and biting whatever they see first online without knowing the whole story, the whole context. Ako naman, in this point in my life, again, it was been also talking about the whole time. I can focus my energy on the things that I can control. Kung ano ang paniwalaan ng mga tao, or kung ano ang gustong isipin ng mga tao, I mean, I don't care. Kasi like, it's out of my control. People's opinions and emotions in whatever they wanna believe in is out of my control. Sinundan siya ng tanong kung kumusta na ba talaga sila ni Darren. That's something that I don't wanna talk about definitely. It's not something that's part of my day-to-day thoughts. Ako naman on my end, without mentioning anybody, it's really, we're all grown-ups here. Ako, more than anything, love is what matters most. So alam mo yun, my door is open wide in terms of, Diyos ko naman, talagang mag-stress pa tayo sa mga ganyan-ganyan na mga, ang dami kong drama sa buhay, pakla nito. Hilang ang gusto ng iparating ni JK, sa kanyang mensahe na kung sakaling may mag-alok na magkaroon sila ng collaboration ni Darren. O back-to-back concert, bukas daw siya sa ganong posibilidad. I've always been fine actually. I've always been open. I've always been kind, right? I will not speak on other people and other people's behalf. From my end, ako, there's nothing negative, sabi pa ni JK. Ako I'm open to collaborating with anybody. Again, not talking about somebody's mentioning specific, we have amazing artists here. We have amazing performances. All of these issues and things aside, won't take away that kind of talent and skill that these people have.